In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product with variants like size and color in Hostinger Website Builder. First, sign into your Hostinger account and open the website you want to work on. Once you're inside the dashboard, go to your website list and select the correct site. From there, click Edit Website to launch the website builder. This will take you into the editing area where you can manage your store content and product listings. When the builder opens, look for the Store section. This is where your e-commerce products are managed. Click into Store, then choose Add a Product. You'll usually see different product types here, and for this tutorial you'll want to select Physical Product. This option is used for items that you ship to customers, such as clothing, accessories, or other inventory-based products. Next, enter the necessary product details. Start with the product name, then add your images. Make sure your images are clear and show the item well, since product photos are one of the first things customers notice. After that, fill in the price and the description. Try to make the description simple but informative, so shoppers understand what the product is and what makes it useful or appealing. Once the basic product information is in place, you can add your variants. This is the part that lets customers choose between options like color and size. In the Options area, click Add Option. For the option name, enter something like color. Then, in the selection area for that option, type in the available colors for the product. Add each color that you want customers to be able to choose from. After that, repeat the same process to create another option. Click Add Option again, and this time enter a name like size. Then, add the available sizes in the selection field. This allows the same product to offer multiple choices without needing to create completely separate product pages. As you add these options, Hostinger will organize them as product variants, making it easier for shoppers to select exactly what they want before purchasing. This is especially helpful for products like clothing, where one item often comes in several combinations. Take a moment to review everything before moving on. Double-check the product title, images, price, description, and each variant option to make sure everything is accurate and clearly labeled. Keeping your product setup neat and consistent will make your store look more professional and create a better experience for customers. And that's how to add a product with variants like size and color in Hostinger Website Builder.